Hello, everyone. This is Vishal, CTO at SearchUnify. We've been building some cool applications with Agentic AI automation for customer support teams. And we're also a co-sponsor today for this amazing event organized by ASP. First of all, I think kudos to ASP. What, about 27 years in this space? That's probably older than most of the interns in my team. And they've been doing some amazing job, not just in terms of publishing some thought leadership content, best practices for customer support teams, but also recognizing some of the cool innovations which are happening. So I think big round of applause for Alfred, Jury, and all of you guys to make this event so amazing and so successful. At SearchUnify, our thinking, our approach towards our roadmap has always been inside out. And which is why a lot of stuff that you see which is coming in our roadmap is due to the interactions and the feedback we've been receiving from our customers. So it becomes very natural for us to come and join this party, this event, and not just congratulate all of you, but really recognize some of these innovations which all of you veterans have been doing in customer support space. So congratulate. I'd really want to congratulate all the winners from the sessions that happened yesterday. And it was so good to see some of the customers also showing up in that list. And as I said, what a wonderful event. I think all the best practices which are being shared, not just in the sessions, but actually there were a lot of thoughts and the best practices being exchanged in the chat windows as well. It was amazing. And I can see people were getting already a lot of value from all of those interactions. I'm sure as part of these sessions, all of you have recognized the power of AI, and it's no longer that new shiny tool for all of you. We are ending 2024, we are heading towards 2025, and I think it's very important for all of us to understand that it's no longer a choice for us to think and talk about these agentic AI solutions, which is why I think it's very important that there is some sort of a framework. As I say, there might be a fear that AI agents probably would replace some of the jobs. Okay. But I'm sure this is going to create new jobs for all of us. It's not really the AI, it's the folks who are using AI who are going to replace us. So I'm not going to take a lot of time, but what I want to do is that I want to spend another quick 60 seconds and just want to give you guys a framework for thinking, for taking the right decision when it comes to signing up for a technology partner who can help you with this journey to onboard AI agents into your tech stack. Okay, so let me just share my screen. And then if you have any questions for me, I'll be happy to answer those questions because I'll be in the chat window answering your questions, or you can always reach out to me after the event as well. Great. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen now. Okay, so six simple things. At the end of the day, all AI agents are a set of three things: nice prompts that can actually do reasoning with the power of LLMs, skills, and finally the tools. So it becomes very important for you to understand that whatever agentic AI platform you're signing up for, it has a combination of all of those three things pre-built in the platform. You should not be required to actually build those skills or tools yourself. Okay. And what I mean by skills and tools is very simple, that any skills which are currently you feel like should be replaced by AI agents, you need to make sure that the platform covers you for those skills. It could be like writing a new knowledge base. It could be doing a summarization of your cases, doing basic sentiment analysis, or maybe just predicting the CSATs or predicting escalations. Anything in your mind, you have to make sure that you're not really building it from scratch and that platform covers you out of the box for all those skills that you want the agents to handle. Second, and the most important thing is the data governance and compliance. We all understand we are in the enterprise business. So it's important that whatever integrations that we're doing with these GenAI LLM large language models, we really understand what data is flowing in and out in these integrations. And it could be like a simple stuff in terms of just masking the PII, or it could be a little deeper stuff as well. For example, really understanding the patterns which are available in your bugs in Jira or in your support tickets, right? And just sending that information to the large language models so that it can take some predictions and decisions and start reasoning on the basis of that as well. So you really do want to control what goes to those LLMs. The third thing is obviously human in the loop framework. At SearchUnify, our thinking has always been that we have to make sure that there's always a human sitting in the interaction and really monitoring these integrations. At least in the first few months of implementations, you want to make sure that humans have the control and augment these integrations. The next thing is hallucination. We all understand that to our customers, we really cannot put something very weird in front of them. So we need to understand that there are ring fencing and there are boundaries which are defined in these GenAI integrations with agentic solutions. And you can really control what are the mechanisms or what layers are available in terms of controlling that hallucination. At times, it could be probably a combination of multiple LLMs, or it could be a combination of low cost in-house models as well. But as I said, you need that flexibility. Then we all understand these GenAI integrations can be pretty expensive. And not just that, but at the pace at which the innovation is happening in this space, you don't want to stuck with a vendor that is clearly closed box. Okay. So you want to work with somebody who gives you that flexibility to choose a large language model of your choice, or maybe something that you guys have trained in-house as well. Okay. So that your implementation with these agentic AI applications is successful. And last but not the least is the granular agentic autonomy that you would want in these integrations. See, the ideal state is going to be where the agents are going to take control of everything. Now, what is that everything? You would need and you would want to define that. Okay, so for example, where the AI agent needs to stop and where the AI agent needs to talk to somebody or just take that action without even talking to anybody. So any platform you're going to pick needs to give you that control in terms of what autonomy lies with these AI agents. So I think these are like the six simple things I want to do. I didn't want to make it too complex for you guys. Next year, you guys are going to face a lot of platforms that comes with AI agents in their catalog. And it becomes very important for you to understand there is some basic framework and thinking in place before you decide and sign up for anything. As I said, I'll be happy to take any questions for you if you want as part of this event or maybe after the event as well. Please reach out to me and feel free to throw any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them for you. Well, thank you so much for having me and enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you.